Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to verify your Cash App card for Apple Pay. First, open Cash App on your iPhone and tap the card tab at the bottom. Make sure your Cash card is already activated. At the top, you should see Add to Apple Pay. Go ahead and tap it. If you don't see the option, tap your profile icon, scroll down to support, and search for Apple Pay. Open the link and it will take you to the same setup screen. Now follow the steps on your screen. Tap Next, allow Cash App to connect with Apple Pay, and accept the terms and conditions. After a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation message saying your Cash card was added. You can also choose to set it as your default card if you want. And that's it. That's how to verify your Cash App card for Apple Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.